Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Kayak Explore, a booking platform review, and my usage experience. In this video, we're diving into Kayak Explore, a unique feature within the Kayak platform designed to help travelers discover exciting destinations based on their budget. Unlike traditional flight search engines that require you to input specific destinations, Kayak Explore lets you start with your departure city and then presents a world map displaying real-time flight prices to numerous locations. This makes it an ideal tool for flexible travelers seeking inspiration and deals. Kayak Explore is perfect for budget-minded travelers, spontaneous adventurers, and anyone looking for affordable travel options without a fixed itinerary. The interface is incredibly user-friendly. Simply enter your departure airport, set your budget, select your travel dates, or leave them open for maximum flexibility, and instantly see a map populated with flight options. You can further refine your search by filtering results based on flight duration, number of stops, preferred airlines, and even specific activities such as beach vacations, skiing trips, or city breaks. This versatility makes Kayak Explore a powerful tool for trip planning. One of Kayak Explore's standout features is its price-based search functionality. This allows you to pinpoint the cheapest flights without having to manually search multiple destinations. It's perfect for snapping up last-minute deals, taking advantage of off-season travel opportunities, and planning trips based on affordability rather than a predetermined destination. Furthermore, Kayak Explore gathers data from a wide array of airlines and booking sites, ensuring a comprehensive range of options. The platform also seamlessly integrates with Kayak's other travel tools, including hotel and car rental searches, enabling you to plan your entire trip within a single ecosystem. It's important to note, however, that Kayak Explore doesn't process bookings directly. Instead, it redirects you to the airline or third-party booking site. This means prices can occasionally fluctuate. Overall, Kayak Explore is an invaluable tool for travelers who prioritize affordability and flexibility. Whether you're seeking a spontaneous getaway, searching for budget-friendly flights, or simply seeking inspiration for your next adventure, this platform makes exploring your options a breeze. Check out the links in the description to try Kayak Explore for yourself.